Have you ever been excited to build your project, only to be hit with a frustrating error? If you've encountered the message about two different types with the same name, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're diving into this common issue in JHipster Angular projects and how to resolve it. I totally get it. Seeing build errors can feel like hitting a brick wall, especially when you're eager to see your hard work come to life. You're not the only one facing this challenge, and it's one of the more perplexing errors developers encounter. Let's take a closer look at the specific issue at hand. One user reached out saying, "I get this error when building my JHipster Angular project." They shared the error message, which mentions that two different types with the same name exist but are unrelated. Sound familiar? Let's break this down together. So what does this error really mean? Essentially, it indicates that there are conflicting type definitions in your project, which can happen when different libraries or modules define similar types. This can lead to confusion in the TypeScript compiler, resulting in the error you're seeing. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the build error, the user should first check the versions of Angular and JHipster being used. Compatibility issues often arise from mismatched versions. Next, the user should update the dependencies in their project. This can be done by modifying the package.json file to ensure all packages are up to date. After updating the dependencies, the user should clear the cache and rebuild the project. This helps to eliminate any lingering issues from previous builds. Finally, if the error persists, the user should check for any conflicting types in their code. This may involve reviewing the imports and ensuring that there are no duplicate type definitions. Fun fact, did you know that TypeScript was developed by Microsoft to help catch errors early in the development process? It's like having a safety net for your code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution comes from a user who faced a similar issue. They resolved it by deleting their target directory and the yarn.lock file. This simple step helped them fix the build error. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly check your dependencies and keep them updated. This simple habit can save you from many headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the build error and get back to developing your project. Remember, keeping your dependencies in check is crucial. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more troubleshooting advice.